Okay students, in our today's live class, we have done till page number 21, exercise 1F, question number 4. Okay, we have done till question number 4. Now, I am doing question number 5. ठीक है, मैं question number 5 कर रही हूँ आप लोगों के साथ में. So, let's start doing. Class, in the question, what they have given you that find 3 rational number. Find 3 rational numbers between 4 and 5. You have already find out 1 rational number, 2 rational number. Now how you will find out 3 rational number? In the same manner that we have done for finding out 1 rational number and 2 rational number. Okay, so let's start doing. First of all, you will write required number. What is your required number? आपको क्या चाहिए? आपको हाफ चाहिए 4 और 5 के बीच का. Yes or no? So half of 4 plus 5. Okay. Next step will be half into 4 plus 5 will be 9. So your answer will be 9 upon 2. This is your first rational number. Okay. Now for finding out next rational number, again you can write required second rational number equals to again half of, मैंने आपको बताया था कि आप 4 और 9/2 लोगे या फिर 5 और 9/2 लोगे. अगर आप दोबारा 4 और 5 लेते हो तो सेंस नहीं बनता है. यस और नो? सो यू विल टेक 4 and 9 and 2. सो 4 plus 9/2. Now here nothing is there, so you will write 1 here. LCM of 2 and 1 is 2. So equals to 1/2 into 2 into 2. Okay. So 4 2 ja 8. 8 plus 9/2. Am I right? Now next step will be half into 8 plus 9 will be 17. So you will write 17/2. Okay. So our second rational number will be 17 upon 17 1 ja 17, 2 2 ja 4. This will be your second rational number. Okay. Your first rational number is 9/2. Your second rational number is 17/4. Okay. Now you can take 9/2 and 5. 9/2 और 5 ले सकते हो आप थर्ड के लिए. Okay. So our required third rational number will be again half of what? Half of, yes, 5 and 9/2. You can take 17/4 also. 5 and 17/4 क्योंकि ये भी बीच में ही आ रहा है. You can take this one also, but I am taking 5 and 9/2. Okay. So 5 plus 9/2. Again nothing is given in the denominator, so you will write 1 and then LCM of 2 and 1 will be 2. So multiply here by 2 and here also by 2 equals to half 5 2 ja 10. 10 plus 9 upon 4. So your answer will be half into 19 upon 4. Okay. So 19 1 ja 19 and 2 4 ja will be 8. So your required or third rational number will be 19 upon 8. Okay. So in the last you can write, hence the required numbers are. What are your required numbers? 9 upon 2, comma 17 upon 4 and 19 upon 8. Is it clear to you?